If you're searching for one of the most powerful accounting platforms for small and medium sized businesses, QuickBooks is probably at the top of your list. Developed by Intuit, it's one of the most widely used accounting solutions in the world, offering everything from bookkeeping and invoicing to payroll, inventory management, and financial reporting. But is QuickBooks still the best accounting software in 2026? Let's find out. One of QuickBooks' biggest strengths is its complete set of accounting features. Whether you're a freelancer, startup, or growing business, QuickBooks helps you manage your income, expenses, invoices, bills, taxes, and cash flow all from one centralized dashboard. The interface is modern, easy to navigate, and designed to give you a clear picture of your company's financial health. Creating invoices is fast and professional. You can customize invoices with your company branding, schedule recurring invoices, send automatic payment reminders, and accept online payments through multiple payment methods. These tools help businesses improve cash flow while reducing the time spent on manual billing. Expense tracking is another area where QuickBooks excels. The platform connects directly to thousands of banks and financial institutions, automatically importing transactions and categorizing expenses. You can also upload receipts, reconcile bank accounts, and monitor spending in real time, making bookkeeping much easier throughout the year. Reporting is one of QuickBooks' greatest advantages. The software offers dozens of built-in financial reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, cash flow reports, sales reports, tax summaries, and budget tracking. These reports give business owners valuable insights that help with financial planning and decision-making. QuickBooks also includes excellent payroll and tax features. Depending on your subscription, you can process employee payroll, calculate payroll taxes automatically, file tax forms, and manage employee payments from within the same platform. This makes it an excellent all-in-one solution for businesses with growing teams. Another major benefit is its huge integration ecosystem. QuickBooks connects with hundreds of third-party applications, including PayPal, Stripe, Shopify, Square, HubSpot, Amazon Business, and many other popular business tools. These integrations allow companies to automate workflows and keep all of their financial information synchronized. The mobile app is another highlight. Available for Android and iPhone, it lets you create invoices, track expenses, capture receipts, monitor cash flow, and manage your business from virtually anywhere. Of course, no accounting software is perfect. QuickBooks offers one of the most complete accounting experiences available, but its subscription plans can become expensive as businesses require more advanced features. Some users also find the platform slightly more complex than beginner-friendly alternatives like FreshBooks or Wave Accounting, especially when using advanced accounting tools. So, should you use QuickBooks in 2026? If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and highly scalable accounting platform that can grow alongside your business, the answer is definitely yes. It combines professional bookkeeping, invoicing, payroll, tax management, reporting, and automation into one comprehensive solution, making it one of the best accounting platforms available today. Overall, QuickBooks continues to be one of the top accounting solutions in 2026 for freelancers, small businesses, and growing companies that want advanced financial management without sacrificing flexibility. What do you think about QuickBooks? Would you choose it over Xero, FreshBooks, Zoho Books, or Wave Accounting? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more software reviews, business tools, and productivity tips.